Hello there. So here I have the completed enclosures for my different elements of my project. And as you can see, I don't have it on my girl's bunk bed because we're not done doing a mural in there, and it's kind of in a half-finished state. And the girl's privacy probably shouldn't be showing videos of their room. So either way, I'm showing this in the completed pieces here as it will be when it goes up. And as you can see, this has a little element that allows me to insert it like this and turn it, and then the bed pushes like that. I've already tested and it works pretty well. This is my enclosure. It is screwed on into the back with these screws on there and over there that holds it in place from the front. The front has also some screws that hold it into that, and I have the proto board in the back that I have shown. I'm planning on actually redoing this with a custom PCB in the future because I don't kind of like that in my girl's room with a proto board, but it worked pretty well for the purposes of the whole setup. And as you can see, I have the cute little DF robot guy here. Just to turn it on again, just to show. This is the element that's going to go on the wall, and I have a couple of these printed out for each of the girls, and this just allows me to then have just this soft light that's available, and I'm going to have a couple of these. It's not the most bright in terms of the lights. I probably will end up removing this case from this, or not using one of these extra cases just to add additional light, and I might print out using transparent filament instead of the white filament as I had to get an even clearer view. But either way, it worked out pretty well, and the girls seem to like it. And they like using the DF robot. The screen here looks like it's flickering, but in the present it's not flickering. It's just an effect from the frame rate of the video camera. But thank you for taking a look at this. I hope you like the look and the state of the enclosure. I kept some of the elements over here open, even though I'm not using the, this is the distance monitor, which I am using, but I'm not using the microphone up here or this light, but I figured might as well make it look nice. And then I figured I would have certain elements stick out like these. You could probably take the base of this that I had created and use it to create a backing depending upon needs like I had for this. It would work really well. Thank you.